Anybody that's putting an instrument in, once you've shown them the wireless ability to connect to it, loves it. I'm Darren Whitford, Flow Product Business Manager here in the Midwest.
Yeah, my name is DeVries. I am Project Engineering Manager for Miller Mechanical Specialties. Yeah, WLAN and Bluetooth technology implemented into instruments really enables people to safely and easily configure new instruments with a really simple user interface that is intuitive to use.
The benefit of both these products is that they are free software. The WLAN wirelessly connects to the web server. That's what we're actually connecting to within our Flow devices. And that is an embedded software within the meter itself.
Yeah, where this really has the biggest advantage is when you have hard to reach instruments. Maybe they might be up in a pipe rack, might be on the top of a tank.
When we're putting things into small spaces or overheads, the benefit is I don't have to get into safety gear or get on ladders in order to access it. But it really does apply across all industries.
Hard to reach places can be dangerous. They can add some safety complexity to things. And maybe I need a man lift, maybe I need fall protection in order to actually access that instrument.
We no longer have to have dedicated tools, which is what customers, the first thing that they said is, I really don't want to have a dedicated handheld that costs me $7,000 or $10,000 that I have to update on a regular interval. It's time. The biggest thing is time. If you think of having to go find equipment, find safety gear, climb a ladder, pull a cover off, connect to something, versus I can stand next to it and connect to it, it is absolutely time.
Yeah, we were actually assisting a customer on a difficult flow meter application where the setup was a little more complicated than normal and took some time. So the process was in a hazardous location. We were actually able, just because of the proximity, to sit in the control room, look across the aisleway at the meter that we were functionally working on, and do that completely remote with a laptop, dialing right into the instrument itself. To my knowledge, there isn't very many competitive alternatives to having Bluetooth or WLAN. So a lot of times the traditional methods of connecting to a device might be clipping a HART modem or a handheld directly to the terminals on that device.
I don't want to have licensed software that's costly and a challenge to try and manage, different versions of it with different equipment.
Our technicians can help you understand how to use this properly. They can train your team. They can also come in and utilize this in order to get the job done quicker and safer.
Endress+Hauser is an instrument company. What we've been building since 1953 are instruments. Our focus on innovation, our focus on products is only within the instrument world. If you look at the fit for purpose and fit for application, Endress+Hauser has the biggest breadth of products available to fit your application in your industry for the measurement that you need to make. It's not a one size fits all. The reason we have a lot to offer is because each one of them makes sense in a different application.
Miller Mechanical Specialties really focuses on having process experts, people with real-world experience that can help marry our products that we know really well with your processes so that you get the best solution possible.